I recently tried out the COOFANDY men's bomber jacket, and it's a great addition to any wardrobe. The jacket is made from premium linen fabric, which offers a soft and comfortable feel. It's lightweight yet durable, making it perfect for various seasons, especially spring and fall. The fabric's quality ensures you stay comfortable without feeling too warm or too cold, which is ideal for those transitional weather days. The design of this bomber jacket is both stylish and functional. It features a rib collar, 2 side pockets, elastic cuffs and hem, and a full zip closure. These elements give it that classic bomber jacket look while adding a modern twist. The jacket's minimalist design makes it versatile and easy to pair with different outfits. Whether you're wearing it over a t-shirt with jeans for a casual look or dress it up slightly with chinos, it adds a touch of style to any outfit. The 2 side pockets are spacious enough to hold essentials like your phone, wallet, or keys. The elastic cuffs and hem provide a snug fit, helping to keep the chill out on cooler days. Overall, the COOFANDY men's cotton bomber jacket is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a stylish and versatile piece of outerwear. This jacket is a great investment for anyone looking to elevate their wardrobe with a timeless piece.